started my profession in the year 1988 as RM Enterprises. For 2 years, I was doing consultancy services for government buildings as well as private buildings. Then I did my master degree in structures in the year 92. After completing my master degree, I worked with RS Consultants, been engaged with structural design of quite a lot of apartments in and around Bangalore. Having experience with the design and supervision, I continued my profession as a consulting engineer. I have been in the field of consultancy. We have given consultancy in and around Bangalore as well as outside Karnataka. I have been associated with Myrada, an NGO, which has done lot of rural-based development projects in and around HD Kote. After this, I had given structural design to RS Consultants, RS Developers. We have given consultancy for structural as well as architectural for many of the architects like Srinath, Bhagya and Sunil, based at Sahakar Nagar. We have done a multi-story building at Gulbarga also. Apart from this structural design services in Karnataka, presently we are undertaking structural design services to West Bengal and West Africa projects, which is promoted by Spirits and Brewtech Limited. We have been to West Africa for supervision of our own work. We are in the process of finalizing the projects in and around our country in the northeast. We are also in the field of property valuation since 2000. We have been empaneled in many of the financial institutions, stating Canara Bank, Bank of India, and quite a few cooperative banks.
RN Consultants is a civil engineering consultancy firm started in the year 1988. The firm has designed the structures with due support of architectural, structural, electrical, plumbing consultancy since 35 years. The firm has credit of giving total consultancy solutions from beginning to completion of a project. During the initial years, the firm was designing building plans for additional construction in Bengaluru North for BBMP-controlled areas. Apart from this, the firm also started preparing estimation, BOQ for MES, that is Military Engineering Services. The firm had started structural consultancy by designing posh residential buildings for Mr. Jairam at Matikere and then expanded their services by providing structural consultancy for several reputed architects, which includes Architect Rajashekar, Architect C.M. Srinath, Architect Shadakshari Swami, Architect Sunil, Architect Ashwini, Architect Bhagya. Apart from this, the firm has provided structural consultancy to various reputed builders, which includes R.S. Builders, Ramakrishna, Prem Kumar, Shantinivas Associates, KRIDL, Bangalore Regency Developers. RN Consultants has credit in giving consultancy to residential, commercial and institutional buildings in and outside Bengaluru, which includes Ramakrishna Math, Siddarbetta Balehonuru Shakha Math, JSS educational institutions. RN Consultants has a feather in the cap by providing consultancy services to NGOs like Myrada. In Myrada, RN Consultants has successfully completed several projects, which includes watershed works, overhead tank of 1.5 to 5 lakhs liters capacity, check dams, school sanitation, compound wall. Individual sanitation for villages in and around HD Kote Taluk. RN Consultants also extends the services of valuation of immovable properties for various purposes like bank loan, visa purpose, income tax, capital gain, for declaration of assets. The firm has rendered valuation services across length and breadth of Karnataka state and also outside the state. RN Consultants has extended its services to BMRCL, HUDCO, KRDCL by evaluating properties for land acquisition process and auctioning of NPA properties of HUDCO. The firm has been providing property valuation services to various reputed customers which includes Canara Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, IDBI Bank, KRIDL, KRIDE. RN Consultants has established its registered office at Sheshadripuram. A fully computerized office spread across an area of 600 square feet with its own reception pantry and a conference room with a team of skilled qualified staff.
Being one of the aspiring students of engineering college, our office has got a practice of giving internship training to many of the freshers, both ME and MTech students. It is a proud moment to say that I have about 30 to 40 students are there which have taken internship in my office, and they have been successfully carrying out their profession. My company started with a lone engineer in the year 2004. Today, we have about 10 staffs. Out of the 10 staffs, 9 staffs are from my own internship students. Yeah, work is worship is our tagline. My main motto is to make the fresh engineers employable. For all my endeavors, for all my success till date, my father is backbone. My future plans are, I would like to make structural consultancy a separate division and property valuation a separate division. I am looking for making about 5 to 6 branches in Karnataka. For all these activities, we have been successful because of our staff support and our venue support, where my office support, and with all God's grace, I would like to say that my services always I will be ready to serve the people 24/7. Thank you.